I don't know.
Yes, and head the same direction he's heading, eventually find him.
Yeah, we need to go to the river. If he made it to the river, he'll probably be waiting there.
You guys didn't just ride together.
I think he thought I meant. He said something about going left, and so I started going right, and I said, "You want to go left?" And he said, "No, it doesn't matter." So I went right. I figured he was following me, but I think he went left and I went right.
So Ashley and I, this Rhino I have, it shows location of all your buddies on your screen.
What is that?
It's a Rhino.
Oh yeah, yeah.
It shows where everybody's at on the screen, so you can pull it up and see where he's at.
Yeah. Yeah, that would be good. It looks like he went in here and came back out.
I hear him right now. Right over there.
If he gets close enough, I can get him on the radio.
Not go very far. These radios go like 5 miles.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's right over there. He's super close.
Sounds like he's going to the right.
Yep, he is going to the right.
So maybe we ought to go back up to where our tracks were. Where we split it. Huh? Hello. Yeah, let's go back out and go up there. Hey!
Where you at?
I'm looking for you. Where are you?
I'm right here.
Do you see us?
No. Did you hear me?
Yeah, I heard you and I started trying to call you. So are you where we split up?
I came back. I saw where you guys dead ended. Turn around. And so I come back, I see where you cut through the woods, and you came over and hit my tracks.
Yeah, we were trying to follow you.
Okay, are you still on my tracks going that way?
I'm on some tracks, but there's so many now. There's some that go through some trees here. I think I'll go that way.
I turned around and came back. I kind of run into a dead end.
Oh yeah, we did too.
So I'm on the track, on my track that I made earlier, so I'll follow it out. You guys are probably ahead of me. haven't turned around.
We turned around. We're heading back to where you are, I think. That's why we're making radio contact.
Yeah, we're within 700 feet.
Yeah. I'm going to try to head your way.
I'll just stay put here.
All right.
Yeah, you're up ahead of me.
What do you mean? What's up ahead?
You're coming my way.
I guess if we start fading out, I'll go the other way. Hello?
Yeah. Sounds like you're off to my left.
So what does it sound like?
Hey, you're getting further away.
Further away, all right. Oh, is that you? Yeah. There you are, right there.
You see me?
Yeah. You don't see me? Huh? No. Are you blind?
No.
Are you?
There's another fresh crack out.
Oh, that's not you. Hello.
Yeah. You guys are off to my left. You're getting further away.
All right. A buddy. A buddy. I've got him on the radio, but we can't find him.
I'm gonna go down this trail where it opens up.
All right. So,
I'm off on your right.
all right.
I'll just follow this trail. We're going the same direction. I think it opens up in the middle.
Well, we've got to be pretty close.
Yeah, I can hear you guys over there.
I'm going through the woods. I found you.
Yeah. I go with you?
Yeah.
I run into a dead end out here.
I guess what we need to do is go back to where we made the wrong turn and just follow the tracks.
The main trail.
Yeah, follow the trail. Let's race. Let's race. Let's race.
Look at that. What a view.
Yep.
There's a hole right over here got water in it.
We'll head straight from here. I doubt that. Maybe he's checking. Oh, you checking it out?
Huh?
You checking it out? I wanted you to race with us.
Oh, I'm ahead of you.
Yeah, you'd probably win. I guess we'll go. We'll come up to you.
That turbo is going to eat us up.
I know it, but I just wanted to see. On 3.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder how that happened. How did that happen?
Well, wait till we get the powder, do some climbs, and then do the video.
Oh, you smoked them.
I'm gonna do my head like this on 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. He didn't beat me that much.